Guys, you can make a big mistake by skipping today's video because the street fight begin with slaps. As soon as street fight start, the person in front of you starts slaps on your face. So guys, don't skip this video because it is very beneficial for you. So let's start the video. In this video, first you have to need understand because this instruction is very important for this technique. As soon as he slaps you in the face, then you should not put your body and face in front of him like this way. When he slaps you in the face, you should immediately make position like this. Keep your position like your body stance in side position and your hands over the head like this way. And during the slaps, you will keep your body down and push with your hands on his stomach and then go back and grab him from the back side like this way. Now here you can lock his neck like this and also keep your hands up as you can see in the video or lock his neck like this position. Now I'll show you this technique from the other side so you can understand better. Step number 1. When you attack, this, 2, hit, 3, around, downside, grab from behind, now this and lock his neck. Guys, now I'll show you this technique real how it works or not. Guys, hope you like this video, and if you want to learn more interesting videos, then please subscribe our channel and share our video with your friends, and don't forget press the bell icon. Thank you.